Good day! Today, we're going to talk about divisibility rules. Identify which among these numbers are divisible by 5. Can you determine which are divisible by 5 by merely looking at the numbers? This is the reason why we need to know divisibility rules. It helps us to determine if a number is divisible by another without going through the long division method. A number is divisible by another number when the second number can exactly divide the first number. If so, the second number is a factor of the first number. For example, 2,755 is divisible by 5. Therefore, 5 is a factor of 2,755. Let us know the divisibility rules for 2, 5, and 10. A number is divisible by 2 if it is an even number. Thus, a number is divisible by 2 if it ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. For example, 10 and 127,352. A number is divisible by 5 if it ends in 0 or 5. For example, 50 and 55. A number is divisible by 10 if it ends in 0. For example, 10, 60, 100, 120, 100,450. Now ponder. If a number is divisible by 10, is it also divisible by 5? Is it yes or no? Yes, but not all divisible by 5 are divisible by 10. Let us proceed to the divisibility rules for 3, 6, and 9. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. For example, 246. 2 plus 4 plus 6 is equal to 12. Since the sum of its digits, which is 12, is divisible by 3, then 246 is divisible by 3. To determine if 954 is divisible by 3, all you need to do is to add the digits. 9 plus 5 plus 4 is equal to 18. Since the sum of its digits, which is 18, is divisible by 3, then 954 is divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. For example, 126. 126 is an even number. Therefore, it is divisible by 2. To determine if it is divisible by 3, then add the digits. 1 plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 126 is divisible by 6, since it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Let us identify if 2,178 is divisible by 6. 2,178 is even, hence it is divisible by 2. 2 plus 1 plus 7 plus 8 is equal to 18, which is divisible by 3. Therefore, 2,178 is divisible by 6, since it is divisible by both 2 and 3. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. For example, 3,042. 3 plus 0 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 9. Therefore, 3,042 is divisible by 9. For our second example, 7,254. Get the sum of the digits. 7 plus 2 plus 5 plus 4 is equal to 18, which is divisible by 9. Therefore, 7,254 is divisible by 9. Question to ponder. If a number is divisible by 3, Is it also divisible by 6? No, but all divisible by 6 are divisible by 3. Let us know the divisibility rules for 4, 8, 12, 11, and 7. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits are zeros or divisible by 4. For example, 100, its last two digits are zeros. Therefore, it is divisible by 4. Second example, 3,912. Its last two digits are divisible by 4. Therefore, 3,912 is divisible by 4. A number is divisible by 8 if its last three digits are zeros or represent a number divisible by 8. For example, 8,000. The last three digits are zeros. Another example is 5,256. The last three digits, which is 256, represent a number that is divisible by 8. A number is divisible by 12 if it is divisible by both 3 and 4. For example, 1,092. Identify if this number is divisible by both 3 and 4. 1 plus 0 plus 9 plus 2 is equal to 12. Therefore, it is divisible by 3. Look at the last two digits of this number, 92. 92 is divisible by 4. Therefore, 1092 is divisible by 12 since it is divisible by both 3 and 4. A number is divisible by 7 if you double the last digit and subtract it from the remaining digits, and the difference you get is 0 or divisible by 7. For example, 294. First, double the last digit. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Then, subtract 8 from the remaining number. 29 minus 8 is equal to 21. 21 is divisible by 7. Therefore, 294 is divisible by 7. For our second example, 819. Double the last digit, 2 times 9, it is equal to 18. Subtract 18 from the remaining number. 81 minus 18 is equal to 63. 63 is divisible by 7. Therefore, 819 is divisible by 7. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sums of the alternating digits is 0 or a number divisible by 11. For example, 7,249. Add the alternating digits. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. Then subtract these sums. 11 minus 11 is equal to 0. Since the difference of the sums of the alternating digits is 0, then 7,249 is divisible by 11. For our second example, 10,736. 1 plus 7 plus 6 is equal to 14. 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. Subtract the sums of the alternating digits. 14 minus 3 is equal to 11. Since the difference is divisible by 11, then 10,736 is divisible by 11.